Welcome students. Today we are going to learn subject Science and Technology Part 2 from Standard 9th, lesson number 18, Observing Space Telescopes. So let's begin with the topic radio telescopes. Many heavenly objects emit radio waves in addition to visible radiation. We cannot see this radiation with our eyes. Hence, a special type of telescope is used to receive these rays. It is called a radio telescope. It is made from one or more dishes of a particular parabolic shape. As in optical telescope, the incident radio waves are reflected by these dishes and coverage at the focus. A radio receiver is placed at the focal point. The information gathered by this receiver is passed on to a computer which analyzes it and constructs an image of the source. Such dishes are located far away from the locality to avoid electromagnetic interference from radio, television, and other electronic devices. It may be separate or linked together electronically. As shown in the picture, a large radio telescope called Giant Meteor Wave Radio Telescope, that is GMRT, has been erected at Narayangaon near Pune. It uses radio waves having wavelengths of about a meter coming from heavenly bodies to study those bodies. This telescope is actually a collection of 30 dishes, each having a diameter of 45 meter. It is a giant telescope as the arrangement of the 30 dishes over an area which measures up to 25 km across is made in such a way that it works as a single dish having a diameter of 25 km. This means that the GMRT gives the same data that we would have got from a telescope having a single dish of 25 km diameter. GMRT has been made by Indian scientists and engineers at minimum cost. It is a world standard research facility. Scientists study the solar system, solar winds, pulsars, supernova, interstellar, hydrogen clouds, etc. with the help of this GMRT. Scientists from all over the world come to India to make the use of this facility. Although all the telescopes which are installed on the Earth's surface receiving the signals, giving the information, but that are not that much efficient, and therefore there is a need to install the telescopes in the space. So let us learn the topic telescopes in space. Visible light and the radio waves emitted by heavenly bodies in space can pass through the Earth's atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. So optical and radio telescopes can be erected on the surface of the Earth. However, these Earth-based telescopes present some problems in making good quality observations. The visible light coming from a heavenly body has to pass through the Earth's atmosphere to reach Earth's surface. During this journey, some of the light is absorbed by the atmosphere and the intensity of the light reaching the Earth's surface decreases. A second problem is caused by the changes in atmospheric pressure and temperature. These changes causes turbulence in the atmosphere, which in turn cause of the light rays to change their path slightly and thereby shake the position of image. Also, because of sunlight, we cannot use optical telescopes during the day. During the night too, city lights and cloud weather can cause difficulties in observing the heavenly bodies. To reduce these problems, optical telescopes are situated on the top of mountains and in uninhabited places. However, if we want to get rid of all the above problems completely, we should place the telescope above the Earth's surface in space itself. These problems do not exist in this space, and thus the image obtained by the space telescopes would be bright and very clear and will remain at one place. Scientists have turned this idea into reality. Examples: Hubble telescope and Chandra telescope. Now we move ahead with the topic, the institutes which is involved in case of the research related with the space, that is Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. This institute was established in 1969 with the aim of developing technology for making and launching of artificial satellites. Till date, ISRO has successfully launched a large number of satellites. ISRO's program is foremost among the successful programs undertaken by independent India. India's progress in space science has played a big role in national and social development. The INSAT and GSAT series of satellites support a telecommunication network, television broadcasting, and meteorological services. It is because of them that telephone, television, and internet services are available everywhere in the country. The EnduSat satellite in this series is used exclusively for education. The IRS satellite series is used for the monitoring and management of natural resources as well as disaster management. Let's look upon one of the satellite, AstroSat. In 2015, Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, launched an artificial satellite called AstroSat in space. This satellite has ultraviolet and X-ray telescopes and detectors. Most of the parts used in this satellite are made in India. It is a unique system having different kinds of telescopes on a single satellite. Indian scientists are studying various aspects of the universe using the data obtained with these telescopes. Thank you.